Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on a Avensis T27 2-litre D4D. It's a 2011 model. These models here, there's a fault. This pipe here breaks regularly on these things. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be just changing this pipe here now with a new part that I have there. So that's what I'm going to be doing now in this one. But as you can see, it's that's terrible the way to design these things. But however, it needs to be done. So that's the first thing I'm going to be doing there today is that. So the first thing I need to be doing is getting off of the battery, removing all these parts here now underneath that, so I can get some access to the bottom there, because I can gain access very easily here. And right, we'll be right back. So we remove the negative first at all times, and then we have this safety bracket on here, so we take these off. This is 10mm as well. This is 10mm as well, and basically what the story is with this is a hook on the bottom of this. So once I get this off, put it back in its hole, so I don't lose it. Like so, and then this just comes round. See, his hooks underneath here, so that's that there. So I'll remove this positive, remove the battery, we'll be back in a minute. Right, so battery out, this here just comes off, it's just a bit battery tray, right? We've water in this because of this thing here when it broke, so anyway. I'll move that over there. As the pipe is coming in here, so I'm going to move off this, take off this tray here now, and that's the next step. We've 3 bolts, 2, 3, 4, and 2 down there, 5, 6, so 6 now. So let's get them done. Right, these 2 in the back here, if you can see there, these are 12mm and these are 14mm here. So let's rock and roll. Get the job done. Get these off, we'll be back. As the 4 bolts removed, this is loom here, so you pull this out and pull that up. It's holding. This is the loom is sitting on that there now. That's that. Let me just get this off here on the bottom of this. There we go. And that's that. Giving us plenty of access in here now to get to this pipe here now. We get some light in there now. So quite easy enough. That's where we're going, from there to there to there. Right, so what I might do is jack it up and drain the radiator. I think might be my best bet, because I don't really want to be letting this spill all over the car, and you know, it's obviously not good for the environment. So that's what we'll do. What I'm going to do is come over here. I'm get a pipe clamp. I'm going to clamp it here, so I keep all the coolant in the coolant bottle. So we'll get on with that first of all. I'll just clamp this one here now. See, it's just the right size. Then a bit lower in there. Should hold that down there. I removed this black bracket here. It was just 2 12mm bolts. So this is part of the battery holder, so I'll put them there. But anyway, the next thing is I'm going to take off this clamp here. So I'll just use a screwdriver, just prise this out, and then I need to get this off here now. I need to get this clamp off here, and then I'm going to let the water just drain out there now, because there's nowhere for it to go. I'll be able to put a bucket underneath there now and catch it all. But anyway, that's the next step. Here we go. So a few trays in there just to catch any spillage, so you don't want anything going into the marine life. You know, kill all the fish, kill all the wildlife. Absolutely terrible thing to do. So let's get this. Leave the bottom one done, as you can see down below here. Now this one here, I'll just move them back like this, and same thing again. Off it comes. And if it wants to be stubborn, we can show it stubborn there now in 1 second, by just giving it a little bit of persuasion. And there you go. Gently, so we don't damage the There we go. That's it. That's one. Damaged coolant pipe removed. Now we get the new one and we just do the steps in reverse. Back in a minute. Okay, so just basically in reverse, you just put the pipe in, push it right in where it's meant to go here, put the clamp on there, right back in where it needs to be. This one here, clamped on there. As we can see, this is with a brake, and then this one here pushed right in and clamped on right in the same places. If you look here now, I put them exactly where they were on the original fixing by Toyota. So that's exactly where we need it to be. Nice job. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to release this clamp here now. And I should start feeding back into the cylinder head all the way around. So we need to be filling it up here. Take off the cap. Let's see, will it take all that? Should do. But anyway, as you can see down there, I don't know if you can see, but the camera just right over there. We collected up all that coolant. So I'm going to give that a rinse now. I'm going to get a hose now and rinse that down there now. So yeah, one successful job. So if you're doing this job in your own car, it's really quite simple. Just remove the battery tray, and yeah, just take the pipe out, replace it. Really simple. These cost in the Republic of Ireland €48 for the whole thing. I was hoping just to get the elbow, but you can't get the elbow. You have to get the whole. You have to get the whole piece with the two pipes and that. Oh, one more thing I forgot to do. Clip that back in. There we go. Job done. So, if this video was anyway helpful to you, please show your support by subscribing. Leave a comment, sure, and yeah, share it if you like. But anyway, all I'm going to do now is in reverse, just put these things back into place. Simple as that. And look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. God bless.